You ready? Time to sweat. Let's go.
Boys and girls, today we are going to slow it down. I've been getting a lot of comments, positive. People ask me a lot of questions on how do I do it, how long I've been doing it. They can't break 200 in 14 minutes. Some people, the first time they ever got 300 was by working out with me. Today, let's slow it down. Today, instead of me working out to my max potential, I'm going to slow it down, and you guys are going to come for the ride with me. And today, I want you to get in the mindset that you are going to get 300 calories today. I'm going to back down my machine. I'm the pace setter. You're coming with me. We're going to do this together. You ready? Let's go. I hope you warmed up. Always come warmed up. Give me a thumbs up. Hit my subscribe button. Hit the bell notification. And today we are going to put this on manual. Okay? We're going to go for 15 minutes. The secret is in 15 minutes to get 300 calories, you have to get up around that 20 RPM range for the resistance. You have to. So when we first start out, get up there and fool around with the resistance button to try to get comfortable. Okay? You have to get up there. If you have an alternative heart monitor, set that now. I have the M7 Max Trainer, so I have a heart monitor on my chest that goes through the console, and you will be seeing everything I'm doing up there. So, go right up to 20 RPMs. You have to get there. Alright? And I'll talk you through it. So 3, 2, 1, hit the start. I'm on the 10 resistance. This is very simple for me. I do it all the time. It might be hard for you. 10 resistance might not be good enough for you, or it might be too much for you. So if that's the case, back it down and spin a little faster. Alright? Matter of fact, since I'm taking it easy today, I'm going to go down to an 8 resistance so I can spin just a hair faster. That feels better. Reset the music. Alright. See, I'm right about the 20 RPMs. It says 19.8. Now I'm about 20.4. Every 5 minutes, we have to have 100 calories in order to get to 300. Okay? Now, hand positions. Get those hand positions at the top and really stretch out. If you're struggling, get them arms, get that shoulder working, get this machine pumping, help them legs. Okay? I'm in the tempo. Boom, 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 boom. Stick with this tempo. Alright? I know for you guys who are advanced, this is going to be a boring one. But when I have people struggling to try to meet their goals, we got to back down and help them guys and girls. Alright? See the tempo? Follow my tempo. See on the screen? Get your RPMs up there. If your legs are getting tired already, you need to back off a little bit and spin faster. If you're out of breath, you need to increase your resistance and engage your upper body to assist your legs in order to maintain that speed. of times what happens is you'll feel tired in the beginning and you'll want to stop. Fight the urge to stop and go beyond. Okay? And we're 3 minutes into this. Keep it flowing. Get a groove into your body. Back and forth if you have to. Alright? I don't want your hands down here. Your hands down here work triceps. You're doing nothing for speed. Right now, we need speed. We are going after calories. On this machine, to get your calorie count, you have to be at a certain speed, at a certain wattage, at a certain heart rate in order to get that. Working your triceps down here is not doing the job. You want to be up top, fully engaged. Okay? If you're not doing this the right way, and getting the calories that you need at the time you need it, you're letting your legs do too much of the work. Alright, we have 30 seconds in order to get 6 more calories. Don't rush. I picked it up just a little bit, but we'll be there. Ten more seconds. Here we are. 100 calories. We're ahead of schedule. So that means I kept going above that 20. Means now I can relax a little bit. Alright? Make sure you got your water. Now, we're over 5 minutes into this. 15 minutes seems like a long ways. You got to take your mind off of it. Now I'm going to show you a little trick to relax yourself. When we hit 6 minutes, I want to take your machine up to about 22 RPMs. Just for about 30 seconds. Okay? That's how you went. Not much higher. 21 or 22. Alright, take it up. Okay? Oh, I went a little high. I'm about 22, 0.2, 0.8. Let's hold it there. Not much of a difference. Keep it right around there. Hang with it. Okay? Keep it going. Give me 5 more seconds. 1. Alright, back it down. Back down to 20. You feel it relax? So, most people on this machine, when they're starting to get tired, they want to slow down. What I'm telling you is when you're getting tired, I want you to pick it up for at least 30 seconds to a minute. Then come back to the 20 RPMs. It will relax you. You can tell the difference already. Okay, let's try it again. So when we hit 7.5 minutes, we're going to go back up to 22, okay? You can go a little higher if you want. 1. Alright, juice it up. I'm about 22.2, 0.8. Alright, picking it up. That's it. When it hits 8 minutes, we'll come back down to 20. Here we go. All right, bring it down. Relax. Relax. Deep breath. All right. You've been in this position for a while. Move your hands down slightly. Try to stretch out your back. Keep them RPMs going. Mentally, just changing your hand positions changes everything. All right? I'm going to show you why. So, keep your hands down here for until it says 9 minutes, okay? We're not picking up speed, just change hand positions. Keep them there. Stay with my pace. Now, put your hands back up top. Full motion. Don't pick up speed. Just use your full body. It's relaxing you now. It's the same thing when you're running, guys. You go into a short, faster, rolling your feet mode. When you're running marathons, it uses different muscles in your legs. When those muscles start getting tired, you go into a long stride mode to change it up. Still running the same speed, using different muscles. Okay, it's the same thing on the machine. So, by us changing our hand position, we're changing how much pressure is applied to the legs. So up top here, I'm engaging the tris and the bis, the back and the shoulders, and it's pushing and assisting those legs. Now when it says 10.5, we're going to change back down to the grip a little lower. Not too much. Because going this long, you want to use, all right, change it down. You want to use your upper body. Still staying the same speed, 20 to 21 RPMs. Okay. You're past 10 minutes. Do not slow it down. Resist that urge. Matter of fact, it says 11, juice it up. Juice it up. I'm back up to 22. Hang here, okay? Stay up here. Give me 15 more seconds. Stay up here. Come on. Do not lose me. I'm the lead pack. You stay with me. Bring it down. Relax. Relax. Deep breath. 20 RPMs. Relax. Feel the relaxation? I know you do. I know you got this. There's no way that you don't. I don't care if you're my viewer that just got this machine yesterday. If you're following this instruction, playing around with your resistance for your comfort, 20 RPMs, and doing what I told you, you got this with me. Okay? We're past 250 calories right now. We're going for 15 minutes. Our goal is 300. Today is the day you get it. Now, if you're not at 260 right now, juice it up a little. Make up for it right now. Okay? I know you are, though. We can stay at this speed all we want. 268 calories right now. We have 2 minutes to go. We can do whatever we want. We can juice it up. We're not going to slow it down past 20 RPMs. Alright, now we're just going to cruise. We're going to cruise to the finish line. I told you today is the day. 300 calories. Now I expect you to leave a comment and let me know that you got your 300 calories. And I know you're going to. If you follow this pace and my instructions and did what I told you, you got 300 calories. We have 1 minute to go. We're at 291 calories. If you got to pick up a little bit, get it. You can maintain right here where I am. We got 300 calories in the bag. We're just waiting to finish the race. Okay? You killed this machine today. $300. 30 seconds left. I told you. I told you. You don't have chills running down your spine right now because you never hit 300 calories. You should be so excited. You want to post online your results to all your friends. And they're going to say the same thing that they say to me. How in the world do you kill when you're ready to stop this? Got it. Your friends are going to say the same thing to you as what mine did to me. How in the world, in 15 minutes, did you kill that many calories? And stop this. Okay? Now, if you just missed it, come back to this tutorial. Try it again. This is the framework of the machine that all my other workouts are going to make you go past that 300. I know you hit 300 today. That is the stepping stone. That is the new landmark goal for you. I know you got it. All right, I will see you. Well, I'm going to see you tomorrow. But because I squashed the plans of killing you today and did a tutorial on this,